Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka kunhun jong nong nya thuk thuk kibadon hapok kshatri jongka the Ultimate Legend Bikers Association lani Tulba omtang ba kadai ka kunhun basu penlek jengmut ha ka basu nya thuk thuk nrei kadai ka wei na ki kunhun ka ba pet ya ka bha ka miat bat ka roi ka par hapok ka emlang salang kani ka kunhun ne ka sngi arp khandai trik ujeliu kum shibenta banang ai min sim bat ban punchulur kala Pynkup Burom da ka basam Khusnam shaki khat prangut ki Samla puli bala pas bha ha ka examine secondary school leaving certificate but higher secondary school leaving certificate mentau snem badang shudep penmanasyen da ka Meghalaya Board of School Education ki Samla puli ki basha Pynkup Burom da ka Khusnam ki dei ki ba puli ha ka Jyoti Road School but ha Bethany Society Shillong ya kani ke jingalang Pynkup Burom la penlong hapok ka plau jong ka Bethany Society ha ka balai don lang nadu ka principal kinong hikai ki khana school ki dkhot bat kinong kit kam jong ka Tulba bat la yo ru ya ka jingkran lengkot no ba lambor kharbudon ubala sha khot sngoba ha kani ke sngi uba jia don bentalang ha ki kam Traimon sngoba jong ka Tulba
kalong kabui ngi bangila bandon bat pi hang ni bat kalong kabui ngi ba pi sha ngi bangin don hang ni it's a privilege for us and with all that we come thank you so much for pi sha ngi bangin don hang ni bangile kemen lang bat pi kani ke jing job ka pi job kini ke exam kini ke baro ka pi la le lamba kini kistem baro te bangengis kem mata ba pas ka 10 ba pas ka 12 pin room shakawai bat ka season ha ka jing bi jong pi hani kindiat ngashka ban shpun ke mau pi kindiat ban shu encourage pi kini ke ski ha America bobon hi ki CEO lani ke bangi penan kam di kitam hang ni ki boss ki bobon ki CEO America la la kli ki ong ki kwa ban bu ki office ki jong ki si boro ki ji ki aquarium ne boro khang ki aquarium ki bu ji dok ha ki boro ki ban colorful ne ha America ki ong ki CEO ki ong ni kwa ban bu ki shark wow shark boro khang ki kum no la ban bu shark aquarium ne kata ka ki jing kwa jong ki bat ki ju buru ki ju wan ra ki shark ha aquarium ngi play ki shark okay they're very dangerous ki shark ki jai dok ha ki bo he ba ki jai dok ha ne kum no la ban fit ki ha aquarium ne ki ba learn how to study ki shark belong ba the same shark badan aquarium uba he tang 2 feet and 3 feet the same shark da pengi bu ha du rew he can stretch over 16 feet kamu mot ke mo ko ban chu I'm semi ping ni sngi we have the power to grow reka shong kanung limit ilari do not allow others to limit us hatung ihun manan aquarium ihun manan haduriao because we have the potential to grow another thing about yakwapan bentabat piang ni don't let your circumstances fail you but let your circumstances be a blessing to others just because kay ka bangi shen maging imbal kay ka bangi ngilong wadam ailat bakatakan kami ni I remember argut ki patient ki in the hospital and way utia she left bodan ki khangin ke the window and the other guy utia she right and this guy on the right was severely sick ill and umla pan you because he was really sick and every day would believe to bri utia shakati kalian unong dam you should do and this guy every day unong ngai iki khna hapak o ngai iki khulung ki lakai I can see birds flying ngai ki briu ki yat enti ngai shibun ki marat ki yat ni then after few weeks unu briu bo shi tu khna we have not then this guy what he actually lazam recover wong okay ngaru ko ban thiap ma shatai namar ba kadon ki jing khayet Henry to surprise habu poi shakri ki jaka ulap bom dan jing khayet it was a wall and you kli wang kumno kata la ban long how can that happen habu bata yang apa ki kata but uni doctor we told ba the guy but yeah marjan but me he's a blind guy and just because he's blind penlong ki jing im juki brer pakodet and he gave his everything when you told shabang ki jing itana jo ki jing im ya uni way ubrel de kema ko wero what makes us a great it's not what we have it's what we give that makes us a great